Arsil,
Yeah.
it's been 2 months.
Mm.
Do you see the traffic on our blog? It's been really bad.
Yeah.
But good for you.
Mm.
I know what to do.
What?
2000 words के blog post 2 times a day. We are back on track.
What really? Do you think pushing out content is like
Yeah, man.
the idea?
Look, keywords and spam tactics.
Okay. Spam tactic.
Yeah,
Are you sure about that?
why not?
Like writing stuff takes a lot of research and like you're saying
Look, man, हर कोई कर रहा है. Why can't we do it? Plus, a content writer of your quality, it shouldn't be hard for you. Just go for it, man.
Alright, so that's a classic example of how you should not be handling your blog content. Before we get into what's the right way to approach your blog, it would mean a lot to me if you would like and subscribe to our channel. Let me share my experience with our own blog that generates about 50,000 traffic every month. Building a resourceful blog is a great way to build authority and be known as an expert in your industry. So here's a simple explanation why. So when your customer searches for something related to your industry on Google, Google displays results based on the most credible resources on the internet. So now the question is, how do you obtain credibility? And the simple answer to that is by consistently posting valuable content on your blog. For us, the blog has been one of the most successful marketing efforts to put us on the map as an animation company. It has definitely helped us generate leads, but I think most importantly, it has put MotionCue as a well-established company on the internet. Alright, so back to the scenario we saw at the start of the video. The question is, what is more important? Is it quality or is it quantity? In my experience, it's both. Your content needs to be high quality in the sense that it delivers more value than what's already out there. While for Google to consider you as a credible resource, you need to be posting consistently. So bottom line is, it's a lot of hard work, but it definitely pays off in the long run. Here are 9 tips for creating a successful blog. Identify your expertise and build your blog accordingly. Select your target audience. Set writing guidelines and tone of voice. Get organized. Invest in SEO tools. Schedule content audits. Conduct first-hand research. Post consistently. Share your posts on social media. And most importantly, you need to be patient. We started blogging in early 2019, and I think it took us about 6 to 9 months to start seeing results. I hope you enjoyed the video and found something useful. If you did, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.